This project is moving forward one component at a time. What was once only structure is now taking its finished form through supports, panels, concrete work, and prefabricated elements being installed across the site. In today's update, we'll take a clear look at what has changed and how the overall build continues to come together. Let's dive in. In the corner area, visible progress is being made with the louver panels. Several new panels have been installed compared to the previous visit, and multiple lifting platforms and cranes are active nearby. Tension cables are being used to ensure precise alignment, and another panel is already being lifted into position. This corner, with its stronger diagonal angle, is now clearly becoming one of the most visually developed sections of the facade. Along the lateral facade, a key transformation is underway. The old wall has been completely removed, with large concrete blocks lifted out by crane. Newly installed steel structures are now being fixed into place, while concrete operations continue in the background. Louver installation has advanced along the lower false ceiling, and additional panels and glazing elements are staged nearby, indicating that this section is moving from demolition into final structural configuration. At the north goal, the support framework for the louvers is largely in place, with workers tightening and adjusting components from elevated platforms. While anchors and panels have not yet been installed here, the structure is clearly ready for that next step. Below, a significant number of prefabricated seating units are stacked and waiting to be lifted into the upper tiers, where the third ring continues to grow rapidly. At the south goal, work continues on the structural supports for the facade system. The remaining upper bracket has now been installed, and crews are finalizing alignment from elevated platforms. Lower supports for the false ceiling remain in place, and across this section, the metal reinforcement elements are now largely continuous, showing that this area is fully prepared for the next phase of installation. In the corner structural zone, large prefabricated components, similar to compression ring elements, remain on site, ready for lifting. Although they have not yet been installed, their positioning suggests that this area will soon become a major focus. Other materials, such as louvers and glass panels, are still staged, showing that preparation is complete and installation is approaching. The ramp area has reached a near-finished state. All formwork panels have been removed, revealing clean concrete surfaces on both walls and the ramp itself. The entire section has been poured and structurally completed, with only minor finishing work remaining. This marks another important access point now fully established within the stadium. In the Tribune zone, material deliveries continue at a steady pace. Large quantities of prefabricated seating and stair modules are stored across the area, while interior finishing advances with insulation already installed and new drywall panels being fitted. Ramp railings and edge elements are also being adjusted, showing that this section is moving further into the interior fit-out stage. At the exterior diamond area, work is focused on finishing rather than structural changes. Temporary elements have been removed, and surfaces are being repainted in a consistent dark tone. Workers are carefully treating areas between beams and walls, ensuring a clean and uniform appearance. While major construction here is complete, detailing work continues to refine the final look. That brings us to the end of today's update. Step by step, the facade, seating tiers, and access areas are taking their final shape. We'll be back soon to follow the next wave of installations, especially the continued progress of the louver system. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.